This blueberry bush is a mess, but today I'm fixing it. And if I do it right, next season's berries will be massive. But if I mess up, well, let's not talk about that. Welcome to the orchard, where chaos meets gardening. Pruning isn't just about making bushes look good. It actually makes them grow better. More light, better airflow, and bigger berries. Science, baby. So let's get to work. When planting a new blueberry bush, it's crucial to cut it back early to encourage strong root development. Option 1. Cut immediately after planting, reducing the height to about 30 centimeters. Option 2. If you prefer, wait until the next season and prune it at 30 centimeters height to promote healthy branching and future fruiting. Blueberry branches lose productivity after 5 to 6 years, becoming less efficient at producing fruit. These older branches often develop gray peeling bark and become woody, signaling it's time to remove them. By cutting them out, you make room for younger, more vigorous canes that will produce bigger, juicier berries. However, mine aren't that old yet. If branches grow way over your head, they become harder to harvest and less productive. Keep your bush at a manageable height, about 1.50 meters to 1.80 meters. If it's brown, brittle, or covered in weird spots, prune it ASAP to prevent disease from spreading. Any branches touching or almost touching the ground are bad news. They invite pests, disease, and rot. Get rid of them. If a stem is thinner than a pencil, it's not strong enough to support good fruit. Cut it. For weaker bushes, retain 3 to 5 strong, healthy canes. For stronger bushes, keep 6 to 8 robust canes. A greater number of canes can be sustained by vigorous plants, supporting higher yields without compromising berry size or bush health. If two branches are crossing or rubbing against each other, cut the weaker one. This prevents damage and improves airflow. Your bush should have an open, vase-like shape, with strong, evenly spaced branches. Too much weight on one side? Prune for balance. Excess moisture trapped within a dense bush can create a humid environment that fosters diseases. If a squirrel can't run through it, it's too thick. When the plant is still dormant, but before new growth begins, the optimal period to prune blueberries is from late winter to early spring. This allows the bush to heal quickly and focus its energy on strong new shoots and bigger berries. The best time to prune is on a dry, mild day, not during a drizzle like I did. Moist conditions can invite disease, so learn from my mistakes and wait for better weather. If you're removing healthy pencil-thick branches, don't waste them. Blueberries can be propagated from cuttings, so keep 10 to 15 centimeter sections and stick them in moist soil. With some patience, you will grow more blueberry plants. More light, better airflow, happy blueberries. Okay, I just turned this overgrown mess into a productivity machine. But will it actually grow better berries? We'll find out. Subscribe for more orchard chaos.